All right, I'm going to move through these pretty quickly, I think. I'm going to do this first one in red, this one right here. Um, First, I'm going to graph it. Y equals x plus 3, so we got to intercept at 3, and the slope is 1. So rise 1, run 1, like that, like that, like that. Like, I don't know if you can see those small points that I'm dropping there. Okay, and same in the other direction. And I'm going to take my line drawing tool, and I'm going to put a line through all of those. And if I line up the far points, I've said this many times, if you line up the far points, then the points that are closer together will all kind of fall in line as long as you get the two faraway points. So that's what we got. Well, notice this right away when we look at this, and we'll do this one in blue, this one right here. Notice that they have the exact same slope. That means that if they have the same intercept, they're going to be the same line. But if they have different intercepts, and they do, this one's at -1 right here, and then rises 1, runs 1 like that. If they have different intercepts, then that means that they're going to be parallel lines, and they're never going to meet. So they'll have no solution. So I'm going to take my line drawing tool, and again, if I get all the points far away lined up, then the ones in the middle will be good. And yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good representation of that. They're parallel. So what do we write? We write no solution, because they will never meet, and where they meet is the solution. So since they don't meet,